Hello guys, and welcome to this video where I'm going to be showing you how to choose a voice for your custom commercial voiceover. So if you have a project that requires you to use a voice that will be good for a commercial advert or something similar or around that range, all you have to do is to go to eleevnlabs.io and choose the voices option, then go to your library um, section and then choose either social media, entertainment, or advertisements. Now I've gone ahead to select this entertainment and TV, and we'll hear sample voices from these categories. And okay, let's choose this Vietnam Dang Tong Doi.
Đôi ba lần chạy theo.
Okay, this is for a Vietnamese guy. So let's choose something in English. So this is Steven Red.
Ideas are the beginning points of all fortunes.
Okay, so we can see that this is perfect for news.
Ideas are the beginning points of all fortunes.
So we can go ahead to select it if we want. We can also choose from the advertisement section. So we can choose Jerry. So it's not okay. Let's hear a sample of his voice.
It doesn't matter if they think you can do it or not.
Okay.
What you think is all that matters.
Okay, so this is how you can create or choose a commercial voiceover for your projects on eleevn Labs. If you've enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to the channel and leaving a comment below. Thank you very much and do have a great day.